Today I'm going to show you how to install a custom sound pack for Fivem for guns and all that, and no BS guide, so I'm going to show you how to do it. This is my server, so you scroll to I think that one's clean. I already downloaded it. So what you do is you find your GTA on Steam, you browse local files, go to 64, then audio, then SFX. Then you get into all the sound effects. You find the mod you just downloaded, open it, and here you see 2 files. It can be 4 sometimes, like this one. You see you got prologue and one shot ABS. It's the same thing with those. You just drag them in here, all of them, but usually it's just 2. So you drag it over there, and this should say like, do you want to replace a file? You say yes. Same with this one. Yes, you want to replace a file. And now you've done it. And I'm going to show you how the sound pack sounds. Alright, so these are the sounds. That's a combat. Mind you that servers that have guns with custom skins are just guns like these skinned. So that's it. That's the sound pack and how to install it.